Hello, everybody. Welcome back to SV Handmaids, and this is Shiba Vivek here. So, what you're seeing on the screen is a bead stopper. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use this and why we are using this. So, here you see a necklace that is a three strand. So, when you're working on these kind of necklaces, we need all the beads strung. So, before we end the necklace, we have to make sure everything is right. So when we are working on the second and third strand, we have to make sure the first one that is already done, the beads don't come out and stay safe. So these bead stoppers are very handy to keep the beads in place when we are working on the second and third strands in a multi-strand necklace. Even when we are working on single strands, when we have to come back and work later and continue our project, these bead stoppers are very helpful. So these have a loop on both the ends. So when you press on them, the spring opens up and you have to just insert your jewelry wire into it and it locks up. These are very good quality and they never come out, and I find these are very useful when we are working on necklace. So this tiny little instrument is very easy to use. You have to just pinch on the two ears of this small gadget, and then you're done. So just you have to pinch it and insert your jewelry wire into it. So I have used these bead stoppers with very heavy stone beads, even up to 10 or 12 beads. These are really strong and don't come out at all. So if you're a jewelry maker watching this, I'm sure this will be of much use to you. This video will be really helpful to you. So make sure you have a bead stopper in your collection, and it's going to make your job very easy. You don't have to run behind the spilled beads. So this will make your work much easier and faster too, and save lots of time. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more such useful videos. Thank you.